What about making your sound better?
Hello and welcome, my name is Phillip and today I'll be teaching you how to make this sound. This sound is one of the most recognizable leads in Future House and we're going to be making it by using the stock wavetables of Serum. So on oscillator B we will be pulling up the unison and decreasing the detunement. Also, level of volume of oscillator B is going down to about 50%. And now we can apply a low pass filter so we can shape the sound using LFO1. Route it to A and B and pull the cutoff all the way down. And hold Alt while dragging this line on the LFO1 so we will clip to the grid lines. Now route LFO1 to the cutoff. Put the LFO mode on trigger and reduce the cutoff slightly. So now we can start applying the effects. We will use diode 2 and decrease it to about 15%. And now we can add multiband compression and pull the threshold down. We can also add a chorus and pull the rate to about 0.01 Hz. So now we notice there is a much high end, so we will pull the cutoff a little bit down. So this is the result. Thank you for joining me, that will be all for today, and see you again in the next video.